If you're searching for gardening ideas for home or apartment gardening for beginners, let me stop you right here, because most of the advice online is honestly bullshit. It assumes you have a yard, free time, and the patience of a monk. Most people don't fail at gardening because they're lazy. They fail because the setup doesn't fit real life. So this is my honest garden review for people who want to grow food at home without turning it into another stressful project. If you want real, no-fluff gardening advice, subscribe. Traditional gardening ideas sound great. Just get some pots, put them near a window, water them every few days, and then they die. Because apartment gardening for beginners usually ignores reality. Inconsistent sunlight, forgetting to water, no space, no margin for error. That's not a motivation problem. That's a system problem. Beginners don't need more instructions. They need fewer decisions, fewer chances to screw it up, and something that works even when life gets busy as hell. That's where Gardyn actually makes sense, not as a miracle, but as a system that removes the annoying parts: light, water, and consistency. If you want the full breakdown, comment book, and I'll send the free Getting Started guide. This is why Gardyn shows up in so many apartment gardening conversations. It's vertical, indoor, soil-free, and automated. You don't need a balcony. You don't need perfect sunlight. You don't need to babysit plants like a psychopath. It fits into your home instead of taking it over. Let's be real about expectations. Gardyn is amazing for herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, leafy greens like lettuce and kale. These grow fast, regrow after harvesting, and actually replace grocery store purchases. What it's not: a damn farm. If you expect unlimited food, you'll be disappointed. If you expect steady access, it's solid as hell. If this is helpful, subscribe. I post real garden reviews weekly. Is Gardyn cheap? No. But here's the uncomfortable truth: wasted groceries cost money too. So does running to the store again, throwing out herbs, mental fatigue around meals. Gardyn doesn't just grow plants. It buys you less stress and less wasted effort. And here's something most people miss: Gardyn offers financing. Gardyn Home from around $38 a month, and Gardyn Studio from around $19 a month. For apartment dwellers and beginners, that makes trying it out way more realistic. Check the link in the bio for current deals and financing options. So here's my garden review for anyone searching for gardening ideas for home or apartment gardening for beginners. If you want to grow food at home, without dirt, without guesswork, and without another headache, Gardyn is a solid option for the right person. Before you buy, do this. Grab the free Gardyn Getting Started guide. See what grows best. Avoid the beginner screw-ups. Comment book and I'll send it. Subscribe for more honest garden reviews. Link in the bio for discounts and financing options.